What is a traffic light system? While going to school, you must have seen a traffic light.
Traffic lights are devices that control traffic through the use of colors. These lights are placed at road intersections and pedestrian crossings for smooth traffic flow.
How do traffic lights work?
In a traffic light,
the lights cycle through. Green allows traffic to proceed in the direction denoted. Yellow warns that the signal is about to change to red. And red stops traffic from proceeding at regular intervals of time. Traffic lights help to prevent accidents and congestions on the roads. How do the traffic lights change automatically? Traffic lights contain sensors which are programmed to calculate how many cars or pedestrians are present at a specific point. At regular intervals of time, the code automatically changes the traffic signals to show colors red, yellow, green.